back to my channel. So today is a very different video than what you're used to, and I just want to put out a disclaimer. If you hear any fan noise or if you hear any noise outside, the fan is on and the window's open. So today we have a very special guest. We have Sasha.
Hi guys.
So Sasha, do you want to tell them about your YouTube channel?
Yes, so my name's Sasha Antonia. I do YouTube, hair, makeup, and also I love property as well. So my YouTube channel is about like traveling in Jamaica. I recently moved here in January, so I'm kind of documenting that and like my experiences. So I guess we'll leave my details below.
Yes, it'll be on the screen and it'll be down below in the description box. Yes. So we're gonna do a get ready with us. And then we're just gonna do our makeup and talk. I don't know what happened. Yeah. But I wish I had known you earlier, because Anisha and I did a video about, you know, Jamaica versus Canada versus the US. And a lot of people were saying, oh, you should have someone from the UK in here. And it's like, I'm here. So maybe I can ask you some questions while we get started.
Yeah, of course.
I'm just gonna spray my face with some. It's not.
I keep forgetting that we're doing this makeup business.
Right.
This is why I've avoided these kind of videos anyway, like just on YouTube in general, because I feel like I can multitask to an extent, but videoing and doing your makeup and talking
is hard.
It's hard, guys. It's so hard.
And then we have our mirrors right here.
Yeah.
So if we look this way, that's what it is.
Yeah. So are we gonna tell them like what products?
We should.
Okay. So I'm gonna use this product. It's a Makeup Revolution primer, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face.
I have water in my Mario Badescu setting spray, but yeah, I just needed something. Outside is hot and my face was feeling dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a casual beat, but if we were going out, then you know,
we don't want beat.
Yeah, you should see Sasha's setup. Like, I'm embarrassed. Like hers versus mine.
Wait, well, hold on. I actually do makeup, so that's why it's like this. But before, I would have had 1, 2 digga thing in my makeup collection. So don't worry about it.
So that's the next thing. If you're in Jamaica and you need your makeup done for an event, if you need your hair done for an event,
it's me. My page is Sasha Antonia Beauty on Instagram, so you guys can check that out.
Yes. And then if you want to follow her on Instagram, her official Instagram, it'll pop up right where she is. Alright, so the first thing I don't want to have a primer in here. Fine.
So I'm just using this Makeup Revolution stick in F13, and it kind of looks like it's not my color, but don't worry about it.
What's that your phone?
It is. It just needs to be blended out.
Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. I have a Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Yeah.
So I've just sprayed my brush with the LA Girl shimmer spray. I'm just gonna,
you know, if you want, we could do another video. Guys, there's this video idea I have, and I've told my cousins about it for months now, and they're taking forever. So if Sasha, if you want to do it,
what one is it?
It's say it or shot it.
You know I like to drink. So we're gonna have to do that video, because
say it or shot it. Well, I'm gonna send you some links to some of them, because it's so good. Like, basically it would be like show us your bank account statement. Right, so if you don't want to pull up your app,
I will be shot in that one. I can't lie to you guys.
So you take a shot.
I will be shot in that one. But that sounds interesting. We have to do that one.
People get drunk.
Like drunk.
It's drunk. It's fun watching them.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to get my boyfriend to pick me up because I won't be able to drive.
Alright, so I know I'm looking crazy, but
me too. Just ignore.
It will come together.
Yeah, it will come together. This is the, what's it, the madness before the
storm? No,
something. Something.
Guys, also stay tuned. We're gonna do a mukbang on Sasha's channel, so you will see this. You will go down, you will click the link. Matter of fact, you don't even have to go down. You will click the pop-up in the video. because you're probably gonna get your video up before mine.
You sure?
I'm waiting for my my external hard drives.
Oh,
So
you have to order them.
Yeah, they should be coming in soon.
Okay.
Yeah, sometime this week. But I really can't edit, and I've been promising people videos, but my computer has 0 space. So like,
don't you delete the
I've
videos?
deleted so much. I've even deleted because you know how Microsoft come with extra different stuff. If it's not Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, I deleted it just to make extra space.
I even deleted Word, PowerPoint, and Excel because I use Google Documents, like you know the online thing. So I don't have to have no storage on my laptop. Like I just don't want it to take up so much storage. So as soon as like I upload something, delete.
Exactly, and that's rough. That's why I recommend you get an external hard drive. It was nice. Like I found out about it a couple years ago after I was deleting everything just to get one little clip to insert. And then I found out that you can edit off of an external hard drive. Whole time I had it. I had it sitting in the corner watching me suffer editing videos. But it's amazing.
I'm gonna have to get one because my MacBook hopefully it can take, but I haven't had any storage problems with it yet. It's my phone because I video from my phone. So boy, the storage, like sometimes it prevents me from actually vlogging because I don't have enough storage. So yeah guys, we do try. And
you have to understand, like, bear with us. It's not like we're sitting here and not doing anything. Sometimes it's just harder. Like a lot of people, if they don't do YouTube, edit videos or record, they'll think, oh, easy peasy, but no, it actually takes some work.
It's not. It's a lot of work, a lot of like organizing, planning your videos, meeting up with people, and I think it takes a lot of money as well. Like you can use your phone to edit, but like
once you get a camera,
content, like if you want content, like you want to go to the beach, that costs money. If you want to do this, it costs money.
Gas is expensive. And in some beaches, the nice beaches, you have to pay to go to them. So don't think that, it's just we're up and we're there already. No.
Yeah, no. Jamaica is expensive. Let's talk about that.
Very.
Heck expensive. Like,
as like people always talking about, third world country, but no, the cost of living versus the wages in Jamaica is...
They need to pay the people more. Pay people more in Jamaica because there's a lot of people in Jamaica where they work their whole life and they've never been to an all-inclusive hotel in Jamaica. They've never been on maybe not say all-inclusive, but you know what I mean, they've never done a staycation in their own country. Why? Because they can't afford it. Why? Because their wages are just too low, or like if they took a day off from work, that will come out of their wages. So
exactly,
it just...
And that's the thing too, like a lot of these hotels really aren't even catering for the people in their own country.
Listen,
it's catering for tourists, for foreigners.
But when COVID came, they were reliant on Jamaican nationals to to support them. So boy,
and it was sad. It's sad.
Come better than that, honestly. Oh, I'm using the Makeup Revolution. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. You guys, if you're my skin complexion or slightly darker, this is your color. This is it. This is the one.
Yep. And the color correcting.
Yeah. I got them too.
No, LA Girl Pro Conceal is everybody. If you do your makeup, even if you throw on, you have it.
Yeah,
have it. Right?
It's a staple and it's affordable as well, because I noticed a lot of products that you can get readily available in America that are cheap. Over here they can be quite pricey, or I would say overpriced, but they have to mark it up based on like shipping and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a holy grail.
It definitely is.
Why did the water just come out?
It's probably sweating, it's perspirating.
Yeah, for real, water just came out.
Jamaica,
Okay.
Black people in the UK have more of an identity than black people in the US.
Okay, that is true. I feel like in the UK, okay, let me just be frank. In the UK, if you're of Jamaican descent, whether you're or anything other than white, if you're Jamaican or your parents are Jamaican or your grandparents are Jamaican and you were born in the UK, you're not seen as English. We use English as a term of as like a white person.
What?
Yeah, so when people call me English, I'm like, hold up.
Wait a minute. It's a 22.
I'm not English. Like we use it to describe a white person. So like an English man would be a white person. So we're like very connected to our
your like roots basically.
Yeah, because they've kind of like othered us. So like if you meet an English person in London and they'll be like, where are you from? And you say, oh, I'm from South London. They'll be like, no, where are you really from? And you'd be like, oh, like I'm black, like I'm Jamaican. They're like, oh, that's what I meant. I'm like, but really, even if you're British and you're born there, they
treat you different. You are literally other.
Yeah.
Just like I don't know if you ever watch her Rhea Ellen. Yeah. Like,
oh yeah, she's funny. She is funny.
She was talking about that too. How she was in the grocery store and she was working in the grocery store and someone, I guess it was an English person, came up to her and asked her, "Oh, how long have you been here?" And she was like, what do you mean been here? Like, I was born here. Like, yeah. So it's like, whoa,
it happens a lot. So when Jamaican nationals, I should say, like people from Jamaica or born in Jamaica, tell people that were born in the UK or the US, but they are of Jamaican descent, that they're not Jamaican, it's kind of like a slap in the face.
Yeah.
Because it's like, if England don't want me and Jamaica don't want me, who wants me?
Right.
So be mindful, because I see a lot of like debates on Twitter, like people telling like UK Twitter, oh, you're not Jamaican, don't rep Jamaica because you're English, and it's just like, come on guys, just be a bit.
See, like what I get a bit rowdy about is just that, like, for me, when you're born in Jamaica versus when you're not, I feel like sometimes we have differences in the sense that, so then some people, especially in America, because now in America a lot of people are picking and choosing, oh yeah, I'm Nigerian, I'm Jamaican, and it's like, first of all, they've never been, and nobody in their family actually is. And it's like, now everybody wants to pick something other than African American, and it's like,
but if you were born in America but your parents are Nigerian, would that make you African American? Because I don't think that would.
No, it would make you American but of Nigerian descent, and that's what I tell them that they are, and they get so offended. And then a lot of Black Americans get very offended when I used to say I'm not African American, I'm Jamaican. But it's true. It's not like I'm dissing being African American. It's like we share nothing culturally similar. Like the only thing that we share is that we're both black.
Yeah, and you might have like the same experiences, like just because of your skin color, but it is a bit different.
Yeah.
I will say that, like, me being born in the UK, I will have different experiences than somebody born in Jamaica. That's just it. But I think in America, like, they're really quick to like take your identity from you and tell you that you're African American, when it's not really true.
It's not. And there's nothing wrong with that either. There's nothing wrong with being African American. We weren't saying that something is wrong, but they're offensive. Someone was saying, oh, black people, she was dumb. I'm gonna say this here. She was like, black people they're only black people in America.
Huh?
People everywhere else, like, they're not black.
Okay,
they're Afro something. I'm just like, that makes no sense. Like, they're different, and this is what a lot of people don't know. Ethnicity and nationality and race is different. they're
They're
all
like
different.
different things.
Yeah, and someone was trying to tell her like, listen, like we're not Black Americans, but we are Black from other countries.
But you know, apparently, in America, they don't teach geography up until they teach geography up until a certain age. Like so they only get taught like the basics, something like that. Like some schools they're only teaching the basics, or some schools they don't teach them at all. But I just thought that was crazy, like very very wild, very very wild.
When I went to America, I went in grade 6. Like I actually finished grade 6 in Jamaica, but I had to do a year over, which is dumb. Some of my friends who actually were from America that moved to the north, like let's say they were in Virginia and they moved to New York, they had to repeat a year too, which I thought was dumb. So like I actually repeated, and yeah, I didn't really learn geography. I think when I went to high school and I went to I took a geography class, we didn't really learn where such and such country was. We learned more like the history about the country, but I don't even, I mean there's probably one class where I had to, and I think it was a college class, but I got to take college courses in high school where it was only that one class where we had to write down where all the countries were, like in South, let's use Africa. We had to write down every single country.
Where like pinpoint where it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we did it by continent, but I really don't remember learning in my American middle school or high school places of where countries were.
That's crazy. I think it's really important like people know like certain things, especially within education.
Exactly.
It should be like a basic, because some of these statements that people make, it doesn't make any sense.
And it's like, if you knew better, then you would know.
Yep.
But I'm just like, maybe you just didn't learn.
Really.
Like, and then they get so defensive.
Yep. I find a lot of the ignorant comments come from America. Okay, I'm so sorry guys, but a lot of the ignorant comments that I see on like race
are from Americans.
Are typically from Americans. I can't lie to you. It's just an observation.
That's a correct one at that. It's true. Even me living in America for so long, it's true.
Yeah. Just read, or just do, like one way to combat it would be to just, you know, like
educate yourself.
Yeah, educate yourself. Like
a lot of people don't read like one time.
No.
A lot of people do not read like one time. It's upsetting in my homegirls, but a lot of y'all don't read. I'm gonna have to insert.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to Better No Chase, what the hell could you go?
Won't get it.
Get it? No.
I have to explain the whole thing to my friends. Right. If we can't go to Del Monte, then where can we go?
There was a point in, like, when that video came out, there was a point in my life where I would just say it, like, randomly, like, it's upsetting me and my homegirls.
Oh man, that's why I love Black people. Like, who else could, like, where, like, everything that's trending, every funny statement, all the memes, Black people, we do it. Like,
yep,
we do it. We cannot not be funny.
And you know what? It's funny that you say that, because even American Black Twitter, they're funny. Then Jamaican Black Twitter, like, I tap into
Black people all over the world is
funny.
Like, even I know there is this universal one. It was like Black people do not, when they buy water, case of water, they don't empty out the case and put it in their fridge like other races.
You have that dish in the corner and you pop it open.
You take when you're I'm like, we share this, and that's the thing too. Like, we're different, but we're so similar.
Yeah, at the same time.
At the same time. And I see that you have a tattoo. How many tattoos do you have?
Girl, I hope my mom's not watching this, but I have about 5 tattoos.
About 5?
Yeah, but they're all like miniature ones. they're not. I don't have any like big pieces. So I've got this one. Let me just turn my skin. It looks a bit weird.
Faith.
Yeah, it says Faith. But it's a cross as well. And then I have my
what is that? What's
it's a Virgo.
Virgo?
No, not Virgo. I'm a Scorpio. Sorry, Rajel's a Virgo. But yeah, this is my. What do you call it again?
Hold on. There's a word. There's It's your
star sign.
Star sign.
Yeah, it's my star sign. Then I have one behind my ear. There. It's like a heart, but it's not finished
it's
yet.
an open heart.
Yeah, it's not finished yet.
Oh, it's not finished. Like that was on purpose, or?
Well, he kind of put like a it was a stencil, so he put a what do you call it, a bow and arrow.
Yeah.
And I told him like halfway, don't put the bow and arrow in. Like I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with it later. So I don't know whether to close it up or
no, keep it open.
Keep it open.
Yeah, keep it open.
Okay.
Cause it's like it's unfinished, and you know, love, like you're not done with everyone you love in your life. So maybe it's like an open heart. You can keep an open heart.
I like that.
Right? That's
cute.
Nice.
Thank you. And then I've got one on my foot, and then a rose on my side.
What?
Do you have any tattoos?
I have one tattoo. I want to get more, but it's just like I have them too. I have the ideas for years because I got this done in high school, and I sneakily got it done. My friend was like, "We're gonna go get tattoos next week," and I was like, "Okay, how much?" And she's like, $50. I'm like, "Okay, I can do that." Like I was in high school, like
yeah, like I ain't about to pay that.
So it's be the change you wish to see in the world, which I know is so boring, but like I really like to live
cute.
by that quote.
And your first name is B, so
yeah,
you know.
Yeah, and it's right at this. I would show you guys, but you know, it's right at the center. But I definitely want more because I like them.
I think you should get some more. There's this one. Well, I'll tell you off camera because we ain't got time.
That's true.
We ain't got time.
Let me use this one. Do you watch Makai? You and Makai sound so similar.
Makai McDermott on
Instagram. So similar.
Really?
Yes. Really? Okay, it could just be the accent. But every time I listen to her on YouTube and then I listen to you, I'm like, that's not like the same.
No, I think we sound completely different. But hey,
guys, I don't know. If I'm in the mood, I'm gonna record some of Makai talking and then put it side by side. They sound so similar.
Maybe it's a lot.
I've listened to a lot of British people.
You do?
Yeah, like I watch a lot. I mean, Patricia Bright, but I don't really watch Patricia that often anymore. Who else is there? I used to love watching Shirley the Onion.
Listen, where did she go?
She went to Nigeria and living her best life. Shirley moved back to Nigeria.
Oh yeah, that was years ago though. Like she hasn't posted any YouTube videos. She still has her blog though. Oh, okay.
But she just dropped off the face of earth. I'm like, she had such elegant videos. Like
she was classy.
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was just like you just looked at her and you're like, wow, like it was like a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Like I think she kind of started like that, you know, like that Lux.
Yeah, she definitely did. Because she did nudes and white, and like everything was just amazing. Everything that Shirley did was just amazing.
I used to watch Beauty Crush on. Yeah, Sammy Maria.
Yeah. She taught me how to do my eyeliner. No, serious.
Oh gosh, no. Back in the day, YouTube was like something. I used to watch YouTube when I was like 11. I used to go to my dad's house and just
sit there
and watch. And the videos were such bad quality, but at that time you were like, wow.
There was a different vibe to it.
Yeah.
And especially since we're growing up on this, we're trying to figure out things in life, and if we didn't have someone to teach us, then that's where we would go to.
Yeah. I learned a lot of things on YouTube, and I think they're gonna start doing like YouTube. I've seen this thing for like creatives, like if you wanna like learn like kind of like a degree, you can do it via YouTube or Google. Something kind of like because Please.
why not? People are taking Zoom classes now. Like, if you have an accredited university that wants to show classes through YouTube or through Google or Zoom, then why not?
Why not?
The world is changing.
It is. It is.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to go and check out Sasha's channel, and remember to stay tuned for that mukbang. If it's not before, it's definitely after. At the end of the day, it's still gonna go up. So be on the lookout for that, and let us know what you think about our makeup. Did we do a good job? I mean, I think your makeup is amazing.
Thank you. Yours looks cute.
Thank you.
I'm liking that kilowatt.
Yes. Right, so make sure you like this video, comment down below, and if you want to see us collab more and do more videos together, let me know what you would like to see. Let me know topics that you'd like to hear about, and stay tuned for the Say It or Shot It video.
Yes. Bye.